Hi, welcome to the Advocate for Environment project. In this video we will talk about what it takes to become an environmental advocate. We know that you can fight for a better environment by doing simple things in your daily life, but what if you could make big changes not just in your community, but in the world? You have the power to be an environmental advocate at a bigger scale, but do you know how? There are 4 easy steps to help you start. The first one is to choose the issue that you want to tackle. Do you worry more about CO2 emission, or is something like a certain species extinction closer to your heart? Pick the issue that you are more passionate about. Think about the problem and about the outcome you want your actions to have. What changes do you want to see happen to combat the issue? As the second step, make sure to set the goals that you hope to achieve. Make sure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, oriented and time-bound. Then you should think about who your target group is. Who do you reach? Who can help your cause? Identify who are the decision makers. And last but not least, find your key message and act. According to UNICEF, your message should appeal to the heart, head and hands of your heart. That means that it should answer the question, what do you want people to know? Why should they care? And what do you want them to do? If you use this technique, it'll be easier to create a powerful message that makes the audience pay attention. However, it's not enough to have a great message. You also need to know how to pitch it to make it reach others. You need to be able to mobilize others. This is one of the most important factors that an environmental advocate should have. Do you have charisma, a vision, and inspire others? These are characteristics that you can improve if you want to be an environmental advocate at a bigger scale. You can get some inspiration by studying famous environmental advocates who are able to have a huge impact. An example is Greta Thunberg. Born in Sweden, Greta started caring about the environment at a young age. At only 15 years old, she started to make her voice heard among world leaders by asking for strong actions against environmental issues. She is fighting for a better future and for a planet where people are more aware about the environment. Just like Greta, many young environmental advocates are creating waves around the world. Mary Copeney, for example, has created a project called Wednesdays for Water, which aims to fight water contamination in the USA, and Lily Platt, who is fighting against plastic pollution and waste. You can also do the same. These environmental advocates are doing great things, and so can you. Environmental advocates have the power to change the planet for the better and to motivate others to make more sustainable choices. By getting involved with environmental advocacy, you can also help make the world a better place. You can increase people's consciousness about the environment and play a role in halting the environmental issues that keep reducing the quality of life on Earth. Thank you for watching. We hope that you liked this video on being an environmental advocate.